I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials. Secure compute with GPUs and disk, then assemble a cleaned, labeled dataset that matches your goal. Once you have hardware and data, pick your framework and tokenizer so training scripts can run immediately. Make sure to set reproducible seeds and environment versions to avoid subtle drift. Also prepare a validation split and basic metrics, perplexity or accuracy, so you can track progress from the first training steps onward. Now design the model and begin training. Select transformer dimensions and any architectural tweaks, then configure optimizer, LR schedule, and mixed precision for speed. Once training starts, monitor loss curves and validation metrics, making incremental adjustments, reduce LR or increase batch size if unstable. Check for overfitting with held-out data and add regularization like dropout or weight decay when needed. Finally, save checkpoints frequently and log hyperparameters so you can reproduce the best runs. To finish, run thorough evaluations, automated tests, safety checks, and some human review for quality and bias. Once satisfied, package the model into a deployable service with attention to latency, batching, and auto-scaling. Monitor live performance and logs and provide rollback checkpoints. If issues arise, like degeneration or high loss, try lowering the learning rate, data augmentation, or resuming from an earlier checkpoint. These quick interventions often restore stability without retraining from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.